come out of there? You want to get out of there? Yep. She's like, hold me, Kim. Grab me. What? What? What is it? Huh? What? 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 What are you saying?
Hmm?
Look at that. She'll stop crying pretty soon. You don't pick her up. I'm just about to let you know.
What?
She'll be happy right now, but she'll flip on you in a minute.
I'm not picking you up.
So you better pick me up.
She's sliding down. I think it's coming.
She doesn't understand my language? What's going on, mommy?
You want mommy to pick you up? Huh? Huh? You want me picked up? Is that what you want? Huh?
She was super excited.